The toe piece fell off the shifter.
The what?
I can't shift.
Oh no. Do you know where it's at?
Right here.
No, do you know where it's at on the track?
I have no idea. It's like I came into the carousel and I couldn't shift.
Oh, I've got an extra.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Okay. Got a wrench that fits on one?
Yeah.
It's the shifter toe piece. No, I need the toe piece on the shifter.
I don't have that.
I didn't think so. Okay, let me go look and see what I can find.
Work?
Yeah, it might.
Yeah, throw the bolts in there. I have extra bolts.
Do you have a nut? Something to jam it against? Okay, thanks.
You need another nut? I don't know if I got two.
Yeah, I don't think if we put another nut on it, there's not going to be much sticking out. Thanks.
I'll take care of it. Let me see.
And now that won't fit.
Here's another one.
I need a smaller bolt. This one's too big in diameter.
You got a grill?
Yeah. Let me go see what I got at my truck. Here. That's what we need. You don't need that. You just need to put it on the bolts in there. You just need a wrench. I have some. Yeah, just grip the end, the aluminum end.
Hi, Mike.
Yeah?
Yep, take it.
Okay.